So in this video, I will guide you step by step how you can remove a shadow ban from your Instagram. So there is a couple of things that we can do here, so you want to watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on any important steps. Now, step number one will be to head over to Instagram, and then we're going to go to our profile in the bottom right hand corner, and then click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Now, from here, what we can do is select the option for Account Center. And then once we are on this page, you want to simply click on Profile and Personal Details. Select this here. And then what you want to do now is you want to click on your personal details down here at the bottom. And what you now need to do is you want to make sure that you select account info. And then what you need to do is you need to verify your email address and also your phone number. So you need to make sure that both of these contact informations are verified, and that is step number one that we can do right here. So step number two, and the final step that we can do to remove any shadow ban, is enabling two-factor authentication. You can then select the profile you want, and you simply want to enable two-factor authentication on your account, which will prove that you are a real human being and not a bot or a scam or spam account. Once you do these two things, what will happen is you will need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the whole algorithm of your account to refresh, and then the shadow ban should then be removed. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can remove and fix a shadow ban on Instagram.